What makes you stand out as a leader? Your focus? Targets? Hierarchy? Or your authoritarian attitude? None of the above. It is your ability to lead with care. Not just achieving the business goals, but a leader like care for people and planet. What you wear speaks about you. If you have chosen workwear made with finest natural fabrics, you have shown that you choose breathability to keep your today comfortable and biodegradability to keep the tomorrow healthy for future generations. By choosing natural fabrics, you stand out as a responsible leader who cares. Choose from cotton and linen shirts and look responsibly fashionized with Zest Mélange. Fashionizing responsibly.